Hello and welcome to yet another 2-Minute Tuesday. This week it will be a short one, I promise. Maybe not 2 minutes, but it will be short. So let's start the countdown and let's go. This week I want to talk about the new View editor. A lot of people don't know that there's a new View editor in Dynamics 365. However, that's because the View editor is hidden. Obviously, if I navigate to a view, so you can see right here, I'm just gonna go to like active accounts and I click on the View editor, which is this thing right here. Of course, you have to be logged in as a system administrator, as you know. But when I start the View editor, which is giving me some issues right now. Oops. View. You can see that we go into the old editor, right? That everybody knows how to use, and everyone has been using this thing. It hasn't changed since, well, at least since I started working with Dynamics back in 2006. But there's a new View editor, and I guess at some point it's going to become mainstream. So let me show you where it is. It's actually on the App Designer. So if I navigate to the apps, I'll show you where it is. Now, what I've done is before the video started, I created a replica of everything, like the Dynamics 365 custom app that comes out of the box, because this one you can't really edit in here. So what I did is I created a replica. I just call it everything, but it's the exact same solution. So I'm just going to go into that and open it in the App Designer. And you can see that we have everything. Of course, that's why I call it everything. So I'm going to click on the accounts view. I'm just going to go to the same view. So I'm going to click on active accounts in here, and we're going to open it on the brand new View Designer. But no one knew that this thing was in there because it wasn't very publicized. But I've been working with it for a while, especially because I'm a big fan of the App Designer, obviously. And this thing is awesome. So one of the things that you get right off the back is how much better it is, especially because it shows you results right as you do it. So if I want to add a column, for example, like account number, boom, I just take that, drag it, drop it, whatever I want. Boom, I get the results right away. So if I'm trying to do some data exporting and importing, or I'm going to be using my data for Power BI or whatever it is, it's a lot easier when I build the actual views and I can see the data right off the back. So I love that. Obviously, you still get the whole increase, decrease of size and whatnot. But check this out. This is one of the coolest things about this View Designer is how easy it is to use your own custom icons. Check this out. So you expand the advanced function right here, the advanced section, and now you can pick a web resource. And look, you can just read the little note in there, the tooltip says choose a web resource to define icons in the view column. So for example, if you have a column that has some important data and you want to show, for example, a red circle or a yellow circle or a green circle based on specific status, or maybe some other icon, maybe an arrow up and down, whatever it is, things that right now we're doing with Excel and Power BI, now you can do it with a simple web resource and a function name on the new View editor. Super, super easy to do. And again, I wanted to do it really quick this week because I realized that not a whole lot of people know about the new View editor in Dynamics 365. So I hope you enjoyed today's tip. It was a little bit longer than 2 minutes, but we'll see you next week.